ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Very warm welcome, sir. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿರೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. A very warm welcome once again. And ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅನೇವರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Today, good day, always good day. Max releasing 25th all over the world. The all Kichas fans enjoyed. All you are in the front seat enjoyed. Never back. Always you are front seat enjoy the picture. 2003 I produced Kaka, the police officer Surya. You watch 2024 Max Kichas Max, extraordinary performance. Never before seen this type of action oriented. Answer to Hollywood. Kichas doing fight. Answer to Hollywood. So every frame is enjoyed work. All technician enjoyed. Hard worker,
Wow,
dedicated worker.
amazing.
Every frame is doing fantastic. So he is also a director. He doing all frame. His involvement very much enjoyed.
How was working with Sudeep sir for the first time, and how was the experience for the entire time?
The entire time totally we are all enjoying.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಹಾಲಿವುಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ. ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂವಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ.
Thank you. Every frame enjoyed his performance. All extraordinary work. All the best. God bless. We'll meet 25th.
All the best, recreations and get your creations.